If you pick the wrong product, you will get 0 clicks and 0 income, even if your pins look perfect. So in this episode, I will show you how to find affiliate products that already have demand on Pinterest, so you promote only what people are actively searching for. Welcome back to the Pinterest Affiliate Marketing series. Now that your profile is ready, it's time to choose the right product to promote, the ones that actually get clicks, saves and sells. There are 2 key rules for choosing winning affiliate products on Pinterest. Rule 1. Promote what people already search for. Rule 2. Promote what solves a problem or desire. Let me show you exactly where to find them. Method 1. Use Pinterest search itself. Go to Pinterest and type keywords related to your niche. For example, home office decor, weight loss recipes, gift ideas for men, hair care tips. Pinterest will auto-suggest popular searches. Those suggestions are real demand signals. These are the exact categories you should find affiliate products for. Method 2. Browse Amazon bestsellers. Go to Amazon, click bestsellers, choose your niche category. Anything ranking there is already hot and selling daily. If you are using Amazon Associates, grab the affiliate link. If not, just note the product type, then find something similar on Digistore24, ClickBank or Etsy affiliates. Method 3. Check Digital Product Marketplace. For digital or high-ticket offers, use Digistore24 or ClickBank. Look at the gravity or sales rank. That tells you how many affiliates are already earning from it. If others are making money with it, you can too, especially with Pinterest traffic. Pinterest is a visual platform, so choose products that are easy to showcase in images. For example, fitness plans, home decor, skin care or hair care, kitchen gadgets, fashion accessories, digital planners, recipe or templates. If it looks good, it sells better on Pinterest. Now that you know how to find high converting affiliate products, go pick one product today. Don't overthink. Just choose one and get ready for the next step. In episode 4, I will show you how to design viral Pinterest pins using Canva even if you have zero graphic skills. This is where the real fun begins. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more videos.